Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can build a hotel website in Wix.com. So first you're going to want to go to your Wix account and then you can choose on the available sites you already have because this tutorial is going to start with an available site. If you haven't created one yet, you can just go ahead and create it first and then come back and watch this tutorial. Alright, so this is the site that I'm going to use and I created this site with a template from Wix.com. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the Add Apps options on the left side of my screen right here. And then you're going to be directed into the Wix app market. So in this section right here, you're going to want to type in Wix Hotel, or you can just type in hotel, and then you're going to see that there is a Wix Hotel application that you can install to your website. So go ahead and click on that and then click on Add to Site. And once you click on that, a pop-up notification is going to show and it's going to tell you what does Wix Hotel application allows to. So it's going to be able to manage coupons, read basic site and business info, manage transaction, read your email address, manage member and contacts, etc. If you're okay with all of the things that are listed there, you can just go ahead and click on agree and add. So what's going to happen after that is Wix is going to add a new page to your site, and that specific page is going to be your hotel management page, or it's going to be your room management page. On that page, you're going to be able to see the types of room that you're going to rent out, the prices, the size of the room, and everything that is important for a customers to see. So as you can see, this is the page that I get. So a new page is created, but I don't want this page to be on top of my dashboard or of my home page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this specific page right here to be inside of the menu, which is on the Our Rooms menu. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this book a room page into the Our Room menu. Alright, now that that's done, I can finally manage my hotel menu. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on the hotel page and then two things are going to pop up, which is the settings and the manage. We're going to try both of them. So the first one is the settings, and then this pop-up menu is going to appear. So you can setting the display. You can choose the positions, whether you want it to be on the right side of the page or the left side of the page. You can also setting the room card, whether you want to show the book soon ribbons or not, as well as the room details. So you can choose whether you want to display these things or not. And the next thing that you can settings is the text. So if you click on the text, you're going to be able to see that you can setting the search bar, the reservation summary, as well as the room listing. As for design, you can settings the general designs, the search bar designs, reservation summary, as well as the room listings designs. And on the main menu over here, you're going to be able to manage your rooms. Alright, so now we're going to go back and try to take a look around at the manage button. Now, when you click on the manage button, this is the first thing that you're going to see after the screen is finished loading. They're going to ask about what type of property that we have. So first, let's give the name for the property. I'm going to give Sunshine Hotel as the name, and then you can choose the property type. There is hotel, B&B, villa, apartment, etc. I'm going to choose hotel for now. And then you're going to be directed to this page that shows you the overview of what you will need to complete before you're going to be able to run your hotel website. So first, let's try to finish our business info. So over here, they're going to ask you to again put the name of your property and then give a short descriptions, add some location, add some logo if you have, and then you're going to want to insert all of the details on your address, contact info for your owner or maybe your employee. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and save it. And these are the other things that you will need to complete before you will be able to publish your Wix hotel website. Now let's take a look at the room types setting. So on the left side of your screen, you're going to see a menu, and on the property setup, you're going to find room types. So go ahead to click that to start managing your room types and adding your room types. So here we're going to go ahead and click on create room types, and you're going to want to choose on what kind of room you will be making. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and click on classic room and then click on next. And then you can also put a display for your room. You're going to create a display name for your room. For example, I'm going to name this room as morning room, and then I can also set up the capacity, like how many adult will fit in that room or how many children could fit in that room. And then I'm going to just create one room for now. And then you can also settings the revenue account so that when you create a payment method or a payment system, it's going to automatically classify it as a certain revenue account and it will not be mixed up with the other account. Next, you're going to want to insert the price of your room. So go ahead and insert your pricing on the base price per night. You can also set up the calculation whether you want it to be for two person or to one person. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on next. And then over here, you can also set the amenities on your room. Whether your room have city view, beach view, street view, whether your room have working view, some working kitchen, etc. You can go ahead and select any amenities that is suitable for your room, or if you don't want to select any of it now, you can just go ahead and skip it. I'm just going to select some of them, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And the next step that you're going to do is you're going to want to upload a room photos. Obviously, it's going to be the one that is displayed for your customers, so make sure to insert some interesting photo. And then once you're done, you're going to be able to see the complete setup. You can take a look at the details, whether there is something that you will need to change or whether all of them is already accurate. If you feel like all of them is actually accurate, you can go ahead and save it. But before that, you're going to want to settings, when will you start to sell this room? For example, you can set out the room to be sold, whether start from today until maybe 3 months later, or maybe you will want to start selling from today till a year after that. You can go ahead and set up those dates on this pop-up calendar over here. Once we're done, we're going to go ahead and click on save, and then you're going to once again see the overview of the room setting that you've already created. Over here, you can see the summary of the content score of your room. So it's going to show you how many details have you inserted. You can always readjust the setting. You can always add some more if you feel like it on the room types menu. If you're done with it, you can just go ahead and click on save, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So if you go to the left side menu, you're going to find a bill and payments options. Over there, you're going to want to set up payment so that your customers can pay you online. Go ahead and click on that and then click manage payment. So first, they're going to confirm where your business location is so that they know what is the best payment for you. And here you can see that there is two types of payment that are available for me, which is PayPal and manual payment. But don't worry, there is still a lot more payment options that you can choose. All you have to do is just scroll down and then you're going to find a more payment options. And once you click on that, you're going to be able to see the other additional payment method that you can use. You can use HitPay, online payment by Sanded, and many more. So take a look around at the available payment method and feel free to choose anything that you feel is the most suitable for you. And I'm going to give an example for the PayPal connection. So over here, if you click on connect for PayPal, you're going to be able to see the connect instruction. It says that if you want to connect your PayPal account, you're going to want to enter your PayPal account email in the form below. Click connect, and then you're going to be redirected to PayPal, etc., etc. You're going to be able to see the fees that they're going to charge for you on the right side of your screen. So make sure to pay attention to that kind of information before you choose to add up your online payment. Make sure to pay attention to the important notes as well. You can see here that the important note says the currency you use for your website must be the same as the currency in your PayPal account. So again, make sure to pay attention to all of these important messages or important notes so that you will not make a mistakes when you're creating your payment method. And that is how you can build a hotel website in Wix. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.